Hey team, so that's day one of driving done. Drove from Perth to Belladonia, which I think it took about 9.5 hours. As you can see, it's cloudy. It's been cloudy all day. There's been no wind all day. It's just been a perfect day on the road. So I got to my motel, checked in, and have gone for a walk, as I usually do, to look for plants and animals that excite me, but probably don't excite any of you. But anyways, I've come across this. If you're easily scared, then perhaps look away, but to me this stuff excites me, so I'm going to show it. I have come across this amazing web with these incredible spiders on it. They're huge. I think they're orb spiders. But what is cool about this is all the babies are out and about, having a look around. How cool. It's probably the first time I've ever got excited about babies. So yeah, I think that's really cool. Anyways, I think they're orb spiders. I'm not sure what type of orb spider, but totally cool. And then I walked a little bit more, found over here something more fascinating, I think. It's more spiders, which are here. It's a different kind of orb, I reckon. It's got different colours on it. It's very active, this one, but it's connected to this tree over here. I don't know if you can see the web there, but it goes all the way over to that tree there. I'm not sure how they do that. Can anyone explain how they get it from this tree here to that over there? Do they crawl across the ground? I don't know. How do they do that? Anyways, this is Belladonia. As you can see, there's not much around. The motel is way over there, and there's not much else to see other than, yeah, some cool plants. There's plenty of saltbush around, of course. Saw some pig face along the lakes earlier. I think there's Victorian tea tree here as well. I saw earlier. Can't find any just now, but obviously that's invading and has become a weed. But yeah, just thought you'd like to see those things, or maybe you don't. If you don't, sorry. If you do, you're welcome. Alright, I'll keep walking around and really want to find a thorny devil. I'm not sure if they come this far, but if I do find one, I'll definitely take some photos. That's my aim for this afternoon. But with the sun not being out and those being reptiles, it's probably too cold for it. But we'll keep having a look around. All right, I'll check in again soon. Cheers.